Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. My name is Maribel Elsalde, 40 years old, single. But I have three kids, two girls and one boy, ages 21, 18, and 16. I am high school graduate. My work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 3 years. I serve 8 members of the family, three children ages 6, 4, and 2. My second employer here in the Philippines are 4 adults, three pets, two dogs and one cat. My house course is cleaning the house, washing clothes, marketing, ironing, gardening, and also washing cars. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I'll do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you.